Hey guys, welcome back. Today I am making reverse-seared steak. This steak recipe is the most consistent way to make steak. It's so good, okay? I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do like it, be sure to give it a like, thumbs it up. Without further ado, let's jump right in. These are the ingredients you will need. I'm using olive oil, butter. I have some fresh rosemary and thyme. And also I have the seasoning right here. I'm using Mrs. Dash seasoning, ground black pepper, salt, garlic powder, onion powder. Measurement will be below. I have 3 garlic cloves here. And also we have a thermometer. Of course, to make the perfect steak, you need the best thermometer and of course the steak. By the way, guys, this video is sponsored by SMARTRO and their simple to use thermometer. I like using this thermometer because it's very high quality and it has IP67 waterproof. So you don't have to worry about it getting wet in the sink. You know how that goes. And it also has a read of extremely high accuracy and even has a motion sense backlight. What? Yo, check the description box below. I will leave the link to their website, SMARTRO. Check them out. They will have your steak, chicken, pork cooked to the perfect temperature. This is a must-have. Check out the link in the description box to get yours today. To get started, we're going to season our steak. First thing first, make sure it's nice and dry. So I'm using a napkin to pat dry any moisture on the steak, just like that. Once you're done, you're going to take your olive oil, just pour it all over the steak. And I'm using the back of a spoon to rub the oil on the steak. Once you're done, next you're going to season your steak to perfection, okay? You're going to season it from head to toe. Well-seasoned steak is the best. I cannot stand a bland salt and pepper only steak. Excuse me, but I don't like it. I like to actually season the steak. So that's what we're doing. And basically, we're going to repeat the same step again on the other side of the steak. Once we're done seasoning the steak, make sure you use your hand to press the seasoning on the steak. Next, we're going to place it in this baking dish and bake it. I'm going to bake it on 300 degrees. Make sure to keep an eye on this because you don't want to overcook it. Keep checking it very often until you reach the temperature that you want. If you like your steak medium well, like the one I'm making right now, you have to have it 10 minutes under the normal temperature because we're going to sear it some more, so you don't want to overcook it. My desired temperature is 150, so I bake it to 140. Then when I sear it, it'll be 150, if you know what I'm saying. Now we're going to add some butter in our cast iron. Once it's melted, we're going to place the steak right in there. Now, don't cook the steak for too long so you don't overcook it. All right? Now, once one side is nice in golden brown, just flip it over. This shouldn't take more than a minute. Okay, literally a minute. Flip it over. As soon as you flip it over, add your garlic, your thyme, and your rosemary for more flavor. Now we're going to baste the steak right away. Okay, baste the steak with the garlic, butter, with the infused thyme and rosemary, butter. Just baste it with that so you can have a nice flavor on the steak. And that is basically how you cook a reverse steak. It's done. Take it out so you don't overcook it. Boom. This is it. This is the recipe. I hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you for watching, guys. Look how beautiful the steak came out. To make a beautiful steak, of course, you need a good thermometer, and SMARTRO has a good thermometer. I will leave the link down below in the description box for you guys. Purchase yours today. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like the video for me if you enjoy it. Subscribe if you're new, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.